Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to bypass Google verification on Samsung Galaxy S8. Okay, as you take a look, we are during the setup process and our phone is protected by the Google verification and it's impossible to skip it. Now let me show you how we can fix that. So first, on our computer, we need to visit our page, HardReset.Info. You can see the link right in here. And now in the search box, we need to type Galaxy S8, click on search, click on Galaxy S8, select bypass Google verification, and in here select this from Android 8 to 13. This one. Click on that. And what we need to have the USB cable. It's necessary. And we also need to have the Samsung drivers and FRP bypass tool. So let's begin with the Samsung drivers. We need to click on that and hit the download button. Then go back. And before you click the FRP bypass tool, we need to turn off the antivirus for now. Don't worry, that's not a harmful app or anything like that. Simply almost every FRP tool app is recognized by the antivirus as a threat, so that is why we need to turn it off for now. I'm using the Windows Defender, so I gotta open up the settings. And then privacy and security, Windows security, virus and threat protection, and go to manage settings and turn off real-time protection for now. And then click on FRP bypass tool. Open up the downloads folder and click on first. We need to extract the Samsung drivers and the FRP bypass tool. We can use WinRAR for it. Right click, WinRAR, and extract to. You can also click on extract all and extract, and it will also fully work. You need to extract Samsung drivers and the FRP tool. Then open up the folder with the Samsung drivers and launch it. Click on yes. In my case, it's already installed, but I can repeat the installation process. It is really easy. We need to click on next, next, and install. And now we gotta wait until it's finished. So we gotta keep waiting until it's installed. Okay, it has installed, so we can click on finish. And also, if you are installing the Samsung drivers for the first time, I highly recommend to restart the computer after the installation, so thanks to that, everything will work properly. Now launch the FRP bypass tool, double click, and launch it. Click on next, next, and install. Click on finish. The app will launch automatically. Okay, and now we need to click on emergency call and type asterisk hashtag 0 asterisk and the hashtag. now we are in the test menu. That means that we can connect our phone to our computer using the USB cable. Just like that. It's also important that our phone needs to appear right in here in the app. Click on OK. And we need to click on Remove FRP Security older than August 2022. Click on that. Now the whole process will begin. Select that you already opened test mode. Select Always Allow from this computer and click on OK. Keep waiting, don't click on anything, just be patient. And the tool will do the job. Select that you don't want anything. Okay, removing. Okay, so it means that everything has successfully worked. Now our phone will turn on and it will be ready to use. Click on OK. As you can see, we have our home screen and we can use our phone. But when we want to make sure that everything is fully erased, I highly recommend to perform a reset manually from the settings right now. So open them up, go to General Management. You can also unplug the cable, we won't be needing it anymore. You can also close the FRP tool app. General Management, Reset, Factory Data Reset, and Confirm. Click on Delete All. And after there's reset, when you get to the setup process, you won't have any Google verifications anymore. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.